eyes center. Eyes on the center. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your right, please. Sa mga bandang kanan naman tayo mag-smile. And mag-pose. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your left. One more. Okay, there you have it. Thank you very much, Amina. Take your seats. And I think everyone has questions na in mind. So please prepare,
Okay,
stand by, but go ahead.
Hi Nadine, hi to all the cast. First of all, congratulations. No? Napansin ko there's a lot of elements in this series. So may pagka-dark siya, and there's a little bit of comedy. May drama din, of course. So combining all of these elements, my question is, ano yung gusto nyong takeaway for the viewers? Ano yung gusto nyong makuha nila after watching this series?
To be honest, madalas siya tanongin whenever I'm pitching a series or a film to producers. Pero may times din na when I make my own work, sometimes hindi ang point is the takeaway, but the point is really the journey.
Wait. Sorry. Takeaway. Well, at least when I watch films, I always try to take notice of the setting and some of the blockades na dinadanas ng character. And Direk Ray always does this. Something that I've noticed. She always likes to put a little bit of truth of what the country is now. And interestingly now, for this series, it was a moment in time when the Philippines was experiencing the pandemic, and it wasn't good. So, I think for me, when I watch stories like this, it's important for us to notice that little bits of truth, no matter how ugly it is. So for me, for this one, it was the reality of the pandemic that drives us into pushing extreme decisions. Parang ginawa ng character natin. Oh, English yun. Yun na.
How about Jerome and Nadine?
Ano ba? Sa akin kasi yung character ko here, napansin nyo naman, simple lang, inosente din. But lahat nagbago, syempre dahil dun sa panahon, kung ano nangyari, katulad nung character ni Stacy, nagbabago lahat, lalo na kapag sa mga panahon na, alam mo yan, gipit tayo, may mga pangyayari na hindi natin inaasahan. And what more sa akin, yung character ko dun, hindi ko naman inasahan na mangyayari yun. So lahat sa akin, umabot hanggang sa ultimate revenge niya. So, ano bang pinaka-takeaway ko dyan? Alam mo, more on, hindi kasi ako ma-revenge na tao eh. Mas more on ano lang ako, mas more on like kay Stacy, mas more on, family comes first. At naniniwala ako dun sa sinasabi, sa pinapakita dun na kahit saan ka mapunta na downest mo, family pa rin naman ang uunahin mo, kahit sarili mo hindi mo mauna. Yun.
Ako naman, I guess, like what Direk said, I don't really think that there's like a lesson or like a takeaway after watching the series. It's really more of the journey of Stacy and actually lahat kami. Kasi as you can see, like yung character ni Jerome, may pinagdaanan din siya from the very beginning of the series. And I guess with my character naman, with Stacy, it's just really showing the kind of relationship that she has with her father. And I guess the lengths that she is willing to, like what she's willing to do. She was able to take a life to replace, diba? Para matulungan niya yung dad niya. So I guess it's really just more of that for me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yun talaga na feel namin iba siya, iba yung relationship dynamics ganun. I wonder if your own relationship with your father became an inspiration din, or were you able to relate to the story in Nadine, your case, sa relationship mo with your father here, or may personal experiences ba kayo and for Direk na naging inspiration dito? Bean?
Ako naman po nakakatawa yung sa akin kasi nung napanood po ng dad ko yung Road Killers, parang sabi niya, parang ako lang si Boji. Which is, nung nag-shoot nga po kami, talagang Tito Boji reminds me of my dad. Kasi like everything, like the jokes, like the way he talks, and yung character din ni Tito Boji, my dad is a mechanic talaga, by profession. So ako, I grew up as daddy's girl talaga. So, mahilig akong magkalikot ng, even yung, alam niyo, direct yung, what do you call it, yung white out na tape. Kahit yung mga ganun ng classmates ko, inaayos ko. Just because na-fascinate ako sa dad ko na magaling siya mag-company ng mga stuff. So, yung controller ng PlayStation, naayos niya, ganun. So, lumaki ako na ganun din, exactly like how Stacy is. Although yung dad ko naman, hindi naman siya henchman ng ano. Hindi naman siya henchman ng politiko, pero but just the same, sobrang naastigan din ako sa dad ko. So while we were shooting the whole series, every time na meron akong interaction or scenes with Tito Boji, naalala ko talaga yung dad ko.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Miss Natalie Tomada of